What's up, guys? So today I posted up earlier on something on the Facebook page regarding on any suggestions on any videos or anything like that. Sorry, just had these settings here. So yeah, someone suggested they wanted to learn how to use their hotspot and what they can connect to. So I will be showing you guys how to do that on your Android device. Now be aware, make sure that your provider is capable of providing you for a hotspot, or yes, because it, yeah, or there's no or because make sure they will pay you, excuse me, they will charge you extra for a hotspot if you don't have it available, or you'll have to pay for it, or it may not work at all. So keep that in mind as well. So I'll be using the Android device here. So a couple ways you can get to your hotspot here. Hotspot, of course, you can go through the setting here. Easy spot, just drag down, shows you there. But I'll be showing you through the settings. So go through the settings. You're going to find the network and internet. If not, scroll through it. You'll find it. Or actually, it'll say hotspot as well on there as well. So click on there. Excuse me, didn't mean to click on Wi-Fi calling. So once I get into the hotspot setting, I am going to look for the tethering and mobile hotspot once again. That's going to give you different options, of course. I've never done a Bluetooth one, so sorry, but I've done the USB, and USB, like I said, it's just you connect it and it gives you internet one from the other, but it's just for one device. So if you can see, I have multiple devices here, so I want to connect more than one. So I'll be showing you guys how to do that. So like I said, you'll click on mobile hotspot, click on there, and then you'll want to get into your settings so you can change a few things on there. You want to change the name so you know what you're connecting to or identifying to when you connect it to your devices. Or you can leave it open as well to where there is no password on there. Try to make the password something simple so you don't forget, or you can change it whenever. It's not like you lock yourself out or anything, but of course you will be connected to more of the device, so you don't want to forget. And then of course it lets you limit how many people you want it to connect to. Right now I'm going to leave it as 3, so I'll save that. I'll turn that on. Once I turn that on, I'll give it a second so it can connect there. If you guys can see there, it gave the same connection there. So click on that. I'm going to connect to it. And as well, I'll be connecting it to the switch as well too in a second. So since I already had it connect with the password, it kind of showed I already connected. So you would just type in that 1 2 3 4 5 or whatever it is you have as a password set up for it. And say for instance, if I wanted to do it for the switch as well, so you can go into the settings of whatever device you're going to be using it on. Let me see if I can focus for you guys. It's not focusing. There we go. Alright, so once we focus, I'm going to go to internet. I'm going to go to internet settings, and then I'm going to search for a device, which is the same thing the computer should have done. And then I'm going to find the hotspot one I'm using, which is Kami Wi-Fi. And I'm going to type in the password. And then okay. And then give it a second. So it's going to confirm. Then I'll confirm with you guys. Let me close Cuphead. Good game, by the way. You guys should check it out. I'm going to YouTube real quick. Connected to YouTube, no problem. Once it gets using the hotspot, and then notice in the background I got Google. So the computer's connected to it as well too. So, sorry. Let's find Goku. And this one here is going as well. I'm just gonna play anything. Let's play this guy. RGT, getting promos there. Alright, so it's playing the promos, so playing the ad there, so it is working. And it also works online. If your kids play online, if you play online, Twitch is a portable, remember that. So, alright, so yeah, that's still connected. And then this is still connected as well too. If I can connect to it, right? There you go. Yeah, that's that's using the mobile hotspot, guys, on the device, just remember to check your provider. And you get charged extra for it. If you can, like I said, like, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks, guys, for watching, and please share, and the likes help a lot. Thanks, man. Thanks once again. So today I wanted to put a video out on how to transfer information from a PC or computer, a Windows computer to be exact, to a Android device, which is this here, which I'll be using this. Alright, so I want to transfer a few of these files over, so I do have these pictures I want to transfer over. You have my logo, my cool effect there, me saving the world. So I want to move those over to my phone. I want those on my phone. And I also like this song here, so I want to move this over as well too. Right? So I use it as a ringtone. Alright, so I want to move this over. What's up? Alright, so what you want to do is make sure you have your USB, depending on which one is the phone that you're using. Make sure it's plugged into a USB port on the computer. Just plug it into your device. I can't see with the camera on my face. Once you plug it in, you should hear a small little noise notification depending on the phone that you're using. So it should pop up on the window there as soon as you plug it in. So it should give you different options depending on what you want to do. I want to do transfer files, so I'll be using the folder, but you can transfer pictures, import pictures, yeah, so read out what you want to do. But like I said, in this one I want to do files, so I'll open up the folder. Once you click on it, usually it gives you blank. Reason why that is because you have to go into the phone, slide down, like I said, make sure it's connected, click on the option there, and right now it's charging the device, but what I want to do is I want to transfer files. So like I said, it should restart itself sometimes it might just be instantly depending on your computer. So do the same thing. Now it gives me the internal memory of the device, so double click on that. If you have an SD card, it should give you the SD card option. I don't have one on that one right now. So now if you've downloaded apps, there should be a few folders already on there that allow you to do stuff, or some of them come preloaded. I don't know if you guys can see that. So for instance, there is excuse me, on every Android device, the DCIM is usually where all the pictures are saved. I haven't taken any pictures on this phone, so I'll create a folder for it, or just drag it over there and it'll still show up. So I'll show you guys. But for instance, your music file, there's already a folder here, so I want to move this over. I hold it with my mouse, the file here, move it over to the folder that I want to move, which is music, and then let go. And once you let go, depending on your computer, like I said, this is a small little, not so fast computer, so there it is. So that's the file there. So then I want to move these three images here. You can do them one by one, or you can, or you can select them, which just hold your mouse on the right click, select all of them. I suggest moving DCMI, or you can move them to, there's a pictures folder as well too, but I recommend DCIM, sorry. Alright. So once they're moved over, just double click to make sure they're there, which they are. Alright. So once that's done, I close out my windows, go back into the phone, literally unplug it if you like, and then let's open up the gallery. So see, there's the images there that I just moved over from the computer. I haven't tried the music play on here, so this will be the first, but another way you can check is just go to my files. There should be every file that's on the computer, on the phone, and then just go to Revel 2, and it'll give you, or like I said, depending on your phone, it could be different, but this is a Revel 2, so click on the phone that I have, and then music, and then there's the song. There's a different way, depending on the music player, like I have different music players on the phones that I'm using, so it will show up there. But yeah, that's how to transfer a file from desktop to Android. Small little video there. Hopefully you guys liked it. Like I said, if you guys can, like, share, you should check out YouTube as well too. I'll be posting more stuff on there. Thanks, guys.